Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox clothes on mobile. First, ensure you have an active Roblox Premium subscription. This is essential for uploading your creations. You will also need a reliable mobile drawing application on your device to create your designs. Next, familiarize yourself with the Roblox clothing template dimensions, which are specifically 585 pixels wide by 559 pixels tall. Carefully planning your design within these parameters is a crucial first step for success. Now, let us dive into the creative process of designing your outfit. Open your preferred drawing application on your mobile device and import the official Roblox clothing template. Start by carefully outlining the fundamental shapes and features of your shirt or pants directly onto this template. Remember to utilize separate layers for different design elements, such as intricate patterns, unique logos, or detailed textures, to maintain editing flexibility. Finally, apply colors and shading to bring your design to life, giving it realistic depth and an attractive finish. Once your design is complete, save it as a high-quality PNG file, making sure the background is entirely transparent. Next, use your mobile browser to visit the Roblox website and access the Create section. Here, you will select whether you are uploading a shirt or pants, then choose your meticulously crafted design file from your device. Finally, set a fair price for your new clothing item. Popular choices often range between 5 and 10 Robux, making it accessible for a wide audience. With your clothing now live, it is time to promote it effectively. The simplest way to start is by wearing your new creation within Roblox. This instantly showcases it to everyone you encounter in-game. Additionally, consider sharing direct links to your items within relevant Roblox groups or on your social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Engaging with the Roblox community and actively seeking feedback on your designs can also significantly boost visibility and future improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.